Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome once more to Mobile Cinema. So today it's just gonna be a quick one, and I want to specifically show you guys how never to lose a trade on forex trading. This class is for advanced traders, not for beginners, not for intermediate. If you have started trading, you understand support and resistance, know how to use your indicators. You've been trading forex for a couple of years, you've been struggling, and you still not profitable. This class is for advanced classes. I want to show you a method. I want to show you a strategy that can keep you profitable, consistently profitable throughout 2025. And this is a short order. I'm making this video on the 1st of January, and I bet you if you keep up with this tutorial, what I'm going to show you right now, then you are definitely going to be profitable. I must be sincere to you. So first of all, one thing I want you to compare, one thing I want you to emphasize or consider rather, it's the spread. Before you indulge, before you join any coin, any trade, you should consider the spread of that pairs. So one thing first is today is 1st of January and all the currency pairs are locked. So, and most of them, their spread is actually higher. You would see currencies like AUD to USD, Euro USD, GB USD, they usually have a low spread. For my broker, I use FXTM, and then I think JPY and the rest of them are within 15 or thereabouts. So your choice of spread is one thing that matters, because I'm going to be showing you this on basically on the lowest time frame that's going to keep you consistently profitable. So the first thing I want you to consider is your spread. Take note of your spread. You should have a very tight and close spread. Make it easily go on profit, and you can use my strategy of break even. And then the next one I would want you to check out is it's your time frame. What time frame are you trading? With? What time frame have you been losing consistently? I will tell you, the Forex market had to deal with billions of US dollars on a daily basis, and I tell you, if you don't value the least 5 minutes, then you don't know what you're doing. If I could tell you how many trillions transpasses in the Forex market within just 3 minutes, most of you won't even be thinking of 1 hour when trading. This is where we get it all wrong. Let's take a look at this currency per GBP USD. This is my 1 hour time frame, and I can tell you I trade on 3 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minute setup, because there are billions of naira transpassing within just this time frame, and I'm just coming in with just the token, probably less than $50, probably just less than $100. That's the problem most of you are having out there. You can't be trading low balance in a big market and you expect to make profit. Definitely they'll take you out. Even if the trade goes your direction later on, they must take you out. So the second thing I would want you to consider is your time frame. Always go to the lowest time frame. Let's take a look at this trade. This is my 1 hour time frame. I've actually drawn my support and my resistance, as you can see, and then the trade is basically saying that it's probably going to be a buy. But on my 15 minutes time frame, then I had to open up the chart a bit more, and I see we have another chart pattern there. Then I had to go down to my 5 minutes. These are my most favorite time frame. And then when I go down to my 5 minutes, you see, you're definitely going to see that I'm having a different chart pattern here. This is my support here. I do this support, and then I could say within this zone should be resistance. I could choose to take any of these places as my take profit. But if we could look at this trade, first of all, in my 5 minutes, I'm seeing a bullish engulfing bar. And then when I come down to my 3 minutes, like I told you before, you should know the value of 3 minutes. You should know the value of 1 minute. These are markets that banks and world banks and trillionaires are trading. And you're coming in with just a peanut. Man, you should take note of time. You shouldn't joke with time, man. 2 minutes is just too big for you here, man. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to manage your risk reward ratio in a way that you would never lose, but rather you make more profit. You see, so the next thing I do here is I come down to my 1 minute time frame. And then you see on my 1 minute time frame, it's very, very obvious. It's very, very obvious. Now, if I had taken this trade within this zone, considering the pin bar on the support, axis, let's just say if I had taken this trade within this axis, my 1 minute time frame, there's a pin bar, I would have been on profit by now, and I would have placed my take profit probably within this ratio, because it's more like 1 to 3 ratio. And that's a good one anyway. But I can tell you with this, even with just your $50, I can tell you're safe. You know why? Because if this hits your stop loss, you're going to be losing just by a few cents. Unlike when you're trading with 1 hour, 5 hours, and you're taking your stop loss and your take profit within the range of 4 hours, 1 hour. Nigga, you're going to be stuck out. It's not your fault. It's not because Forex isn't good for you, but because you don't know what is happening. You see? Neither you ain't going to be greedy. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, sometimes 1 to 1. And like I said before, I'm going to show you in my next video a risk reward management strategy that will make you earn more while you lose less if you apply it. Like I told you before, Forex is just a game of keep to the rules, man. If you break the rules, you lose the money. So this new year we're gonna be making more money. Last year I made so much money trading Forex, and this year I'm gonna be focusing on Forex because I want my followers and subscribers to make money out there. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get it clear. If this video has ever helped you, like, share, and comment. More are gonna come your way. So like I said earlier on, take note of these two key. Take note of your spread. Take note of your time frame. Time is essential in this market. Do not neglect it, bro. Take note of your risk reward also. And lastly, do not trade if you don't see a setup. That's my last word. Take note of these three things and you're never going to lose this year. Do not trade if you don't see a setup. Only trade when you have a setup. You see, this trade, I could have joined this trade, but as for me, with my strategy, I'm left out. I'm not going to, except I just want to reach. Except I have respect when I want to reach. But that's breaking the rules. If you have an account you want to secure, I'm left out already. So I should let this trade go and then look for another setup. Do not join a trade if you don't see a setup. Don't gamble, man. The money ain't going nowhere. It's always going to be here. So after you've done your analysis within your lowest time frame, like I said, take trades when you see a setup. Saves you a lot. And if it hits your stop loss, you stay up the market. Give it time and know the value of time. That's one essential thing. So have a nice day. Hit and subscribe. Love you all.